Because we had corporate experience, a lot of people are like, yeah, but I come from corporate and I know nothing about real estate. Well, guess what? There are certain skills, if you have some job experience, that translates really well, and you can apply some of those skill sets into real estate as well.
I think that is such a great point, because my background was in systems and processes. You also did systems and processes for your work. I had experience putting factories together. I was a part of building a factory from scratch overseas, and I saw how everything was communicated while we were sitting here in America, building a plant overseas, how the team could be well managed, how systems and processes could be put in place to be able to do that. You had been a part of the strategy in a huge corporation. So you had seen how important it was to, take those skills and implement them within real estate investing. So absolutely, if you're in corporate, all of those skills, or at least some of them, can definitely be translated into real estate investing.
Yes.